Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to approach and manage car fires. Whether they're electric vehicles or internal combustion engines, today we'll take you through a step-by-step process on how to effectively and safely mitigate these incidents. Step number 1, it's essential to lay out the blanket correctly. As shown in the video, unroll the blanket entirely and lay it flat. Ensure that the surface area will cover the entirety of the vehicle, which will provide a protective layer against the flames. Step number 2, regardless of the car type, approach all fires in the same way. Start by knocking down the flames using a hose line, ensuring you maintain a safe distance from the car while controlling the fire spread. Step number 3, next we fly the cover. As you can see from the footage captured during our various demonstrations, it's vital to swiftly and carefully place the blanket over the burning vehicle. This is a crucial step in isolating the flames and reducing their oxygen supply. Step number 4. Now tuck the bottom of the blanket around the vehicle. The goal is to form a tight seal, preventing smoke and flames from escaping from underneath. Work methodically and carefully, ensuring the entire base of the vehicle is covered. Step number 5. Once the vehicle is covered and secured, it's time to deploy the Stat-X Aerosol. Simply pull back a corner of the blanket, deploy the Stat-X Aerosol under the blanket, then quickly reseal the blanket. This innovative fire suppression tool will help extinguish any remaining flames. Step number 6, continually mist the blanket. This not only helps control the smoke, but also increases the heat resistance of the blanket. This continuous mist propels the effectiveness of the EV car fire blanket. The final step in the process, step number 7, is to monitor the situation with a thermal camera. It gives you a real-time understanding of the fire status, allowing you to assess when it's safe to approach the vehicle or remove the blanket. Step number 8, stay clear of the fire and surrounding areas until there is adequate safety for all parties. By following these steps, we can safely and efficiently manage these car fires, minimizing risk and maximizing effectiveness. Thank you for watching this instructional video by Ally Fire EV. For more information and resources, visit our website or reach out to our team. We're always here to help. Thank you and have a great day.